Tecno Spark 5 Pro with MediaTek Helio A25 SoC, quad rear cameras launched in India. Price, specifications. Tecno Spark 5 Pro has launched in India with MediaTek Helio A25 SoC and quad rear camera setup. This phone is a slightly more premium variant of the Tecno Spark 5 that was launched in May. The Pro model comes with a 16-megapixel main camera as a part of the quad camera setup, instead of the 13-megapixel shooter on the Tecno Spark 5. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro also packs 5,000 mAh battery and comes in 4 color options for buyers to choose from. Tecno Spark 5 Pro price in India, sale. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro price in India is set at 10,499 rupees for the lone 4GB plus 64GB storage option. The phone comes in 4 gradient color options: Ice Jadeite, Spark Orange, Seabed Blue, and Cloud White. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro is available for purchase across 35000 plus retail stores pan-India. Tecno Spark 5 Pro specifications. Talking about the specifications, the Tecno Spark 5 Pro runs on Android 10 based on iOS and comes with a 6.6-inch HD+, 720 by 1600 pixels, hole-punch display with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.2% screen-to-body ratio. The smartphone is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio A25 SoC paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. There is quad rear camera setup on the Tecno Spark 5 Pro and it comprises of a 16-megapixel, f/1.8, primary camera, a 2-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with 120-degree field of view, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and an AI shooter. There is a quad LED flash as well. On the front, you get an 8-megapixel, f/2.0, camera with dual LED flash. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro is powered by 5,000 mAh battery. It is touted to offer 17 hours of video playback, 115 hours of music, 13 hours of gameplay, 18 hours of web browsing, 31 hours of call time, and 480 hours of standby time. For connectivity, there is 4G VoLTE, LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, GPS, and OTG support. The Tecno Spark 5 Pro has a rear fingerprint scanner as well. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.